Tether fires back against Bloomberg. That got our newsroom talking. Welcome to the Daily Forkast, October 8th, 2021. I'm Justin Solomon of Forecast News, covering all things blockchain, filling in for Editor-in-Chief Angie Lau. The world's #1 stablecoin is under scrutiny, with a damning report by Bloomberg claiming the currency is not fully backed as the company claims it is. We'll look at what Tether had to say on that, and much more coming up. Now let's get you up to speed from Asia to the world. First up, Tether responded quickly to Bloomberg's claims, saying the article is, quote, another attempt to undermine them. Forecast News' Carolyn Wright reports.
As well as claiming Tether is not fully backed, the Bloomberg article claimed the company is using its reserves to make crypto-backed loans. It alleged Chief Financial Officer Giancarlo Devasini used company reserves to make investments, which would undermine Tether's claims the token is fully backed 100% of the time. Tether denied this, pointing to its quarterly assurance attestation issued in August. Reporter Zeke Faux also canvassed Wall Street traders to see if any had ever seen any trades made by the company that supposedly holds $30 billion in commercial paper short-term loans. He said that as none of them had, eyebrows should be raised. Tether responded by saying the company's track record speaks for itself and questioned the reliability of a major source, John Betts, who was fired as Tether's banker. It also highlighted an ongoing court case where he is accused of self-dealing at the expense of customers. Tether has been in legal trouble in the past. In February, it settled an investigation by the New York State Attorney General's office, examining whether it and sister firm Bitfinex sought to cover up an $850 million loss in funds. Neither company admitted wrongdoing, but were required to submit quarterly reports on their reserves as part of the settlement. For Forecast News, I'm Carolyn Wright.
Meanwhile, New Zealand's Easy Crypto has closed an $11.75 million Series A funding round. Led by sovereign-backed Nuance Connected Capital, the company says the funding round was oversubscribed by 50%. Forecast News' Lachlan Keller has more.
The exchange says in addition to this successful funding round, a further investment of almost $7 million has also been indicated by fund managers for a Series A+ round. Easy Crypto has recorded over $750 million in sales since it was established 3 years ago, and says its user numbers have multiplied 5 times in the past 12 months. The company told Forecast News New Zealand has a lot to offer the crypto space, saying regulation is evolving at a similar speed to Australia, with discussions starting to get underway in Parliament. And that's not all.
Furthermore, New Zealand's very into their renewable energy, and I think there is potential there as well for Bitcoin mining or other mining facilities, proof of work type mining facilities that could come out of that as well.
As for future company goals, Butler says an IPO is on the radar, but that's a long-term aim. In the meantime, the focus is on making products better for customers. For Forecast News, I'm Lachlan Keller.
And finally today, confused about how to support your favorite musician in the ever-growing NFT space? Worry not, things are getting easier. Timmy Shen takes a look at what fans and the industry are doing to help as part of a Forecast News special series.
With some music industry players and artists going all out on NFTs as they look to generate new streams of revenue, it can be daunting for those who aren't crypto active to get involved. But while one expert told Forecast News it can be a steep learning curve, like-minded fans are only too eager to support others.
Even if fans are not familiar with the process or how things work, they will teach you. They will team up. They will come up with how-to-dos and tutorials and everything on YouTube, on Twitter, in 7 different languages.
And some NFT platforms are making moves to help cut through the jargon and make it easier to lead people in. Taiwan-based Our Song, which features huge collections of music-related NFTs, is one of them.
I think our onboarding process, getting for the average person, is much easier than it was before. But there's definitely a lot more room for improvement, and that's one area that we're very focused on.
Our Song also says it has incorporated PayPal as a payment method to help make fans feel less intimidated. For Forecast News, I'm Timmy Shan.
And if you want to learn more about the world of music NFTs, you can check out the series at forecast.news. And that's the Daily Forecast from our vantage point right here in Asia. For more, visit forecast.news. Like what you see? Want more? Don't forget to subscribe, hit like, and share. I'm Justin Solomon. Until next time.